Seniors, this humble bean is a muscle-building powerhouse after 60. And the answer to maintaining your strength and independence as you age had nothing to do with expensive supplements or complicated meal plans. Here's my promise to you today. By the end of this video, you're going to discover how one humble food can revolutionize your health, save you hundreds of dollars every month, and give you the energy and vitality you thought were gone forever. We're going to dive deep into the latest scientific research that's turning the nutrition world upside down. And I'm going to show you exactly how to harness this incredible discovery starting today. The food I'm talking about is beans. Yes, simple, everyday beans. And before you click away thinking this is too good to be true, let me share something that will absolutely blow your mind. The latest research from major universities reveals that beans can effectively build and maintain muscle in adults over 60, matching those expensive protein powders at a fraction of the cost. This finding challenges decades of conventional wisdom and offers hope to millions of older adults struggling with muscle loss on fixed incomes. You see, the key isn't in the source of protein at all. It's about understanding how aging changes our nutritional needs and how to optimize plant proteins for maximum benefit. And when I show you the science behind this, you're going to wonder why nobody told you this sooner. What if I told you that the secret to building strong, healthy muscle after 60 is sitting right there in your pantry for less than $2? That's right, it's soybeans, also known as edamame, small but mighty bean, that has been quietly fueling some of the world's longest living, most active seniors for generations. Let's face it, after 60, everything changes, our energy dips. Climbing stairs feels harder. This isn't just a natural part of aging, it's a condition called sarcopenia, which refers to the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength as we age. And if we don't act now, it can affect our independence, mobility, and overall quality of life. But that's where soybeans come in. Unlike most plant foods, soybeans are what scientists call a complete protein. This means they contain all 9 of the essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair muscle tissue. That's right, this humble bean can stand toe-to-toe with meat, eggs, or fish when it comes to quality protein. But with none of the cholesterol or saturated fat. Think about this. Just 1 cup of cooked edamame provides 17 grams of protein, 8 grams of fiber, vital minerals like iron, calcium, and magnesium, anti-inflammatory compounds called ice. These nutrients don't just feed your muscles, they protect your bones, support your joints, and even help balance your hormones, especially in postmenopausal women. Now, let's pause here and talk about inflammation, a hidden danger that many seniors overlook. Chronic inflammation is like rust inside your body. It eats away at your joints, damages your muscles, and leaves you feeling stiff and tired. But soy is rich in natural anti-inflammatory compounds that work like gentle cleaners, helping to reduce swelling and restore movement. And here's something else. Many seniors struggle to digest red meat or heavy animal proteins. They may cause bloating, discomfort, or simply feel too heavy. But soybeans, they're light, easy to digest, and gentle on your stomach, perfect for aging digestive systems. So, how do you start eating more soybeans? It's easier than you think. Here are 3 simple and delicious ways. Steamed edamame. Buy them frozen in the shell. Boil for 5 minutes. Sprinkle with a little sea salt and enjoy as a snack. Soybean stir-fry. Add edamame to a pan with your favorite veggies, olive oil, and garlic. Quick, tasty, and filling. Soybean soup. Combine edamame with carrots, onions, broth, and a handful of spices for a warm, protein-rich meal. And don't forget about soy milk and tofu, which are also made from soybeans and packed with similar benefits. Tofu, for instance, is soft, versatile, and easy to chew, ideal for seniors who might have dental concerns. The bottom line is this: you don't need fancy supplements or expensive protein powders to stay strong after 60. Sometimes all it takes is a humble little bean and a bit of intention to change your future. Now, on to the second health recommendation. If there were a superfood hall of fame, lentils would deserve a golden plaque. These tiny legumes have been feeding humanity for over 9,000 years, and it's no wonder they're packed with muscle-saving protein, energy-boosting iron, and gut-healing fiber. But here's the shocking part. Most seniors aren't eating them nearly enough. And that's a missed opportunity, because when it comes to protecting your strength, balance, and independence after 60? Lentils are one of nature's most powerful allies. Let's look at what happens as we age. By the time you reach your 60s, your muscles have already started shrinking unless you're actively fighting back. This condition, called sarcopenia, affects nearly 50% of people over 65. That means every time you skip protein at lunch or dinner, your body could be losing valuable strength. Now, you might be thinking, but I'm eating meat, isn't that enough? Not quite. As we get older, our digestion changes. Our bodies aren't as efficient at absorbing nutrients from heavy or fatty foods like red meat. That's why plant-based proteins, especially ones as easy to digest as lentils, become so valuable. Here's what you get in just 1 cup of cooked lentils. 18 grams of plant-based protein, more than 3 eggs. 15 grams of fiber, fantastic for gut health and blood sugar. Nearly 40% of your daily iron, magnesium, potassium, folate, and zinc, key nutrients for nerve and muscle function. Let's pause on iron for a second. Many seniors suffer from low iron without realizing it. If you're feeling cold all the time, tired, or lightheaded, your iron levels might be low and your muscles may not be getting the oxygen they need to function properly. That's why lentils are a game changer. They provide a plant-based source of non-heme iron, which becomes even more powerful when eaten with vitamin C-rich foods like tomatoes or bell peppers. Another overlooked benefit of lentils, blood sugar balance. They're a diabetic-friendly superfood that digests slowly, preventing energy crashes and sugar spikes. Whether you're managing type 2 diabetes or just trying to keep your weight in check, lentils are your friend. Remember, staying strong after 60 isn't about lifting heavy weights. It's about feeding your muscles the fuel they need to rebuild and repair. And lentils, they're some of the most reliable, accessible, and affordable muscle fuel on the planet. Let's start with something many people don't know. Black beans are one of the most antioxidant-rich foods in the world. In fact, their dark outer skin is loaded with the same kinds of compounds found in blueberries and blackberries called anthocyanins that help fight off cell damage and inflammation. That's a big deal for seniors, because chronic inflammation is a hidden danger, silent thief that weakens your muscles, stiffens your joints, and makes everyday activities like walking, lifting, or even standing up from a chair more difficult over time. Black beans step in like little soldiers, packed with 15 grams of protein per cooked cup, 15 grams of fiber, amazing for gut health and satiety, iron, magnesium, potassium, and folate, the muscle helpers, resistant starch which helps feed good gut bacteria. And it gets even better. Black beans don't just support your muscles, they support your brain. The antioxidants inside these beans may help protect your memory, focus, and mood as you age. Black beans are low on the glycemic index. That means they don't spike your blood sugar like bread, rice, or pasta. For seniors managing diabetes or insulin resistance, this is a game changer. Now, let's talk digestion. Many seniors experience constipation, bloating, or irregularity as part of aging. That's often due to a lack of fiber in the diet. Black beans are one of the richest sources of fiber, which acts like a gentle broom sweeping out your digestive system, improving gut health and supporting regularity without harsh laxatives. Black beans are versatile, budget-friendly, and blend beautifully with flavors from around the world. But no matter how you prepare them, one thing is clear. They nourish your muscles, protect your heart, and fuel your energy like few other foods can. Now, on to the next health advice. They're bold, red, and shaped like the organ they're named after. But make no mistake, kidney beans are more than just a chili ingredient. These red giants are your secret weapon for fighting muscle loss, improving heart health, and restoring vitality after 60. Because inside every serving of kidney beans is a natural recipe for muscle recovery. Let's take a look at what's packed inside 1 cup of cooked kidney beans. 15 grams of plant-based protein, nearly 13 grams of fiber, iron, phosphorus, magnesium, potassium, and zinc. Slow-digesting carbs to keep your energy stable, natural antioxidants to combat cellular aging. All of these nutrients work together like a healing team. They help repair worn-out muscles, restore electrolyte balance, boost oxygen flow to tissues, regulate blood sugar and blood pressure, and support heart, kidney, and joint function. One of the standout nutrients in kidney beans is magnesium, a critical mineral for muscle contraction and relaxation. Low magnesium is a common hidden danger among seniors, and it often shows up as leg cramps, fatigue, or twitching. Meanwhile, the iron content in kidney beans helps your body carry oxygen to your muscles. Without enough iron, you'll feel tired, weak, and possibly even dizzy after minor physical activity. And here's something not many people know. The red color of kidney beans comes from plant pigments called polyphenols, which have strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory powers. That means these beans don't just build strength, they protect what strength you already have. And yes, they're called kidney beans for a reason. These legumes contain the perfect combo of nutrients that support real kidney health, especially important for those managing blood pressure, diabetes, or taking medications that may affect kidney function. Kidney beans are affordable, accessible, and full of life-restoring nutrients. They help your muscles recover faster, your energy last longer, and your body age with strength and grace. Now, let's move on to our last healthy recommendation. Say hello to chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans or the golden guardians of muscle, mobility, and wellness after 60. These round beige legumes are far more than the base of hummus. They are one of the most complete, well-rounded foods for seniors, combining strength-building protein, age-fighting, antioxidants, and blood sugar-balancing fiber. Just 1 cup of cooked chickpeas gives you 15 grams of protein to help rebuild and maintain muscle, 13 grams of fiber to support gut health and heart health, iron, zinc, magnesium, potassium, and vitamin B6, slow-burning complex carbs for long-lasting energy. Let's talk about that protein. As you've learned by now, seniors need more protein than younger adults, not less. That's because our ability to synthesize protein and build muscle declines with age. Chickpeas offer a clean, plant-based source of protein that your body can actually use without the saturated fat or cholesterol of red meat. The magnesium in chickpeas helps your muscles contract and relax, supports your heart rhythm, and can reduce leg cramps, especially at night. But chickpeas aren't just good for your muscles, they're excellent for your digestive system too. The high fiber content in chickpeas keeps you regular, nourishes your gut bacteria, helps manage cholesterol levels, and slows the absorption of sugar, keeping your blood sugar steady. That's why chickpeas are a diabetes-friendly food, perfect for seniors managing blood sugar or watching their weight. Whether you blend them, bake them, roast them, or stew them, chickpeas are versatile, affordable, and life-enhancing. They're not just good for your body, they're good for your confidence, your independence, and your future. You've just discovered some of the most powerful, affordable, and delicious muscle-building foods that nature offers, foods that can help you fight back against the silent, creeping threat of muscle loss after 60. But here's the truth that every senior deserves to hear. Strength is not a gift you lose as you age. It's a choice you make every day, with every bite you take. If you've learned something valuable today, please like this video, subscribe for more life-changing senior health tips, and share your location and thoughts in the comments below.